Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a Outgoing Happy Mail, and this is to Gina, who is Scrapinology here on YouTube. She's hosting a small or a very really simple, easy challenge that I totally could manage. So I wanted to send her a little Happy Mail box of some new creations that I created, and I bought stuff and wanted to make stuff. So let's get started on this project share. So I'm gonna start off with this hanging Valentine. She said she loves Valentine, and I love Valentines too, but I just always feel short on time. So I need to glue that a little bit better. It seems a little bit loose, but I wanted to create this heart, and I am using this new big die that I purchased. It's the heart number 3, and really it's just a big heart, but I wanted to be able to cut felt, chipboard, faux leather, because I wanted to be able to use some of my harder to cut items, and it is a really good size, 5 1/4 by 4 3/4, and this is what I came up with. I really used a lot of my trims and ribbons and from my design team from Marchena Designs, and again, really pretty dainty. This is the trim that I used around the edges. It's beautiful, and I have some embellishments, but I also use this tool, and it has flocked hearts just as a little peekaboo. I like that kind of like sticking out a little. So I'm just gonna walk you through what I did with this. I added this pink seam binding. Love the seam binding, it's so great. I have this heart rosette, and that is a KS Craft rosette. This I am using, I use this beautiful trim, and what I did was cut around it, and then I tucked it underneath on both ends. So you can kind of see that little shabby peekaboo of the leaves. Oh, I just love it. This heart rosette, I have my little resin heart, and then I added this Dollar Tree, those toothpick kind of things, and I just put some Nuvo drops. I'm obsessed with Nuvo drops. This is a chipboard with the Magic Love collection from Prima. This whole thing is Magic Love. I added my favorite little birdie flowers. Well, this is not this one, this one. And I have that right here. I added some pearls, I added some little itty bitty little pearl flowers. Again, with the white Nuvo drops. I did stencil, you can kind of see it here. I did texture paste. There's a lot of little like layers here. I just kind of smudged it here and there. I kind of whitewashed it with a little texture paste. I did what I wanted to do for a while. I just kind of like want to touch into my mixed media and try something different. So that's that. And here's the back. It is using that Hobby Lobby faux felt. I wanted the back to shine. So this thing is really sturdy. I did sandwich it in between some chipboard, and I did paint the edges pink because who wants to see brown? So I hope she likes it, and just kind of like a hanging in her room. I think it's just a fun little piece. I did tuck some pearls here and there because I love pearls. So pretty. And then in here, I had created a 3D project. So I created a little like chocolate box, and this is a file, I believe it's from, I can't think of the name all of a sudden, but I will leave that down below if you are interested. It is a scalloped heart box. Who doesn't love a scallop in general? So again, I'm using that beautiful trim from Marchena Designs. Ugh, I'm obsessed with this. You guys, I'll leave all of the details down below. If you haven't seen my unboxing of my design team package, you'll be inspired. I'm telling you, I think I like just using these kind of items in my crafts. I think I just feel so inspired. Here, I've added these beautiful little birdie flowers. Again, if you haven't seen my haul, it's worth it as well. So many beautiful flowers. Here are my resin pieces. I took my Magic Love paper. This is probably one of my favorite papers. I love that washed out heart look. And yeah, I just added some little glitter on the flowers. And then if you open this up, I've included some embellishments. So I'm not sure if you follow me on Instagram, but if you have, I wanted to create these felty envelope embellishments, and they are using this Linda Canasi, what is this called? Envelope Mini. I did pick this up from Hobby Lobby a while ago, but I created these little shaker embellishments, and this was inspired by Cynthia, who's Disco Dolly, and she showed these on her Instagram. I was like obsessed, so I created my own little shabby version. I did use some trim over here, and again, using my favorite little trims from my design team package. Look how sweet and dainty this is. Just to add underneath the little banner here. This is also a little bow that I got from my design team package. So sweet. Here is another little embellishment. I think I have it here. Oh, here it is. Here is this beautiful, it kind of reminds me of flowers. And I love that edged rim on this embellishment. Again, such a fun little mix. Created that little banner. I used, again, that little beautiful trim. I'm obsessed with the little pink scallops on the ends. So it's so pretty. And then I added some pearl hearts, and I hope she likes it. It was a lot of fun creating it. So, and then I just included a lot of little embellishments. I have this little bow, double layer bow. I have these stitch little heart embellishments. I just added a lot of hearts in here, so she can alter these, use them however she sees fit. I just wanted to send her some stuff. I don't know, I felt bad just sending a little card. I'm gonna send her this her way, and I hope she likes it. And who doesn't love a box of embellies that someone created? So, and then I have some little goodies in here. I just wanted to add some stuff. I have my handmade resin pieces. I have some flowers because, you know, and then a little box of knickknack. And then this is my card, you guys. I'm going to show you. I wanted to make my fancy envelope, but I just couldn't do it. So, here is my card, you guys. So I'm using my favorite In Love Art, I don't know what you call this, like bubble heart. And it is a beautiful, I love that netting. It's probably one of my favorite. This Love You is also from In Love Art. It is a shadowed Love You, so I had to use it. I added some jemmies. I did like a wonky stitch all around. I did matte it on a, I don't know what kind of color is that, like a very muted pink. And I have this little puffy, and just added some little birdie flowers on the bottom. I did use red vellum on this Love You, and I love that look on it. I think it's just so pretty. So yeah, that's my card, you guys. I hope she likes it, and I hope she likes it. So that is it for my project share, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.